So this is what DAX is going to do. DAX is going to check what we have on our report in Power BI. So it sees that we are reporting revenue by region. Then it's going to go back to our data table and it's going to make sure all other columns disappear, because this is only about revenue and region column. Revenue column is the sales column and the region column, right? That's a filter context that we currently are viewing on our report. So first, it's going to select all the other columns. So all these columns apart from region are gone. So I'll just hit Ctrl+0 on my keyboard to hide this. Hide. Then all the other guys, hide, and then hide these other ones as well. Okay, so DAX is left with these two. Now it's going to run the calculation for every region separately, region by region by region. So first it selects, let's say it selects central first. So central, it filters it to central, then it now does the sum up, and that's why you have 501,239. So 501,239.89. Then it's going to return that figure back to our report. That's this 501,239.89. Then it goes back again. It goes back, it returns back to the table and does the same calculation for east. But the thing is, it's not really going back, it's actually doing it simultaneously.